courage and dedication to achieve. There is no success limited to restrain you.
Astronomers used to think that all materials made up of electrons, neutrons, and protons are known as baryonic matter. Until about 30,000 years ago, they used to think that the universe is composed almost entirely of these baryonic matters.
Further, do we know how the universe was formed? It was because of the Big Bang theory. Scientists believe that around 18.5 billion years ago, the universe was a small mass of singularity, which then slowly expanded to become the cosmos we know today. Further, we have seen that the galaxies move far away from each other. This proves the fact that the universe is still expanding.
Milky Way. The Milky Way contains 200 billion stars and enough dust and gas to produce millions more.
In this Milky Way galaxy, there is a gravitationally bound structure, which is the solar system. It has a sun in between, which has enormous gravitational powers, and it makes other objects revolve around it, directly or indirectly. It has 8 planets and 5 dwarf planets.
At the center of the solar system, it is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma. It holds 99.8% of the solar system's mass and is roughly 109 times the diameter of the Earth. About 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Sun is one of the more 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. Surface temperature is 5600 degrees Celsius.
The Mercury. Mercury is the closest and rocky planet to our Sun, just 58 million kilometers away. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system, and the length of the year is 87.97 Earth days, and Mercury does not have any moons.
Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to our Sun, orbiting at an average distance of 108 million kilometers. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet. The length of year is 225 days. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and clouds of sulfuric acid. Venus has no moons. Venus spins backwards compared to other planets. It is known as the morning or the evening star because it is often brighter than any other object in the sky.
Earth. Our planet Earth is the third from the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of 150 million kilometers from the Sun. The length of the year, as we all know, is 365 days. Earth's surface is covered in oceans, and Earth has only one moon.
Mars. Mars is the fourth planet, which is made up of rocks and volcano. It is also called the red planet from the Sun at a distance of about 228 million kilometers. The length of year is 687 days year. Mars' atmosphere is made up of mostly carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun at a distance of about 778 million kilometers. Jupiter is also the most massive planet in our solar system, being 317 times the mass of the Earth and 2.5 times larger than other planets combined. The length of the year of the orbit is 11.9 Earth days. Jupiter has 67 known moons, with additional 17 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery.
Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun at a distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers. Like Jupiter, it is a giant gas with layers of gaseous material surrounding a solid core. Saturn is most famous and mostly easily recognized for its spectacular ring system. Length of year is 29.5 Earth years. Saturn's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 53 known moons with an additional 9 moons awaiting confirmation.
Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun at a distance of about 2.9 billion kilometers. Though it is classified as a gas giant, it is often referred to as an ice giant as well. The length of the year is 84 Earth days, and Uranus has an atmosphere which is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, and it has 27 known moons.
Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun, at a distance of about 4.5 million kilometers. Length of year is 165 Earth years. Neptune's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen, helium, methane, water, and ammonia. Neptune has 13 confirmed moons and 1 more awaiting official confirmation.